Welcome to the second day of tomato harvest. We had a good one the other day. We are back in the field again to harvest our tomatoes. That's your favorite guy, the funny one. Yeah, so we are back. We're gonna harvest today again. Go outside, look for market again. So the market is not guaranteed, guys. Everybody's out there looking for market. So we are going out today as well. We're gonna try and find the market again. Yeah, it's just gonna be the same thing that we did the other day, but just that today is a different day. It's a new day. So join us as we harvest our tomatoes. There's still so many. There's still so a lot. So join us as we harvest now, and after we hit the road, we go and look for market. Cheers. And this is how our tomatoes look. Our trees are dying now. It's the end of their life, so we're gonna have about the last 4 harvests, and then we take all the whole trees out. We didn't have water in the past 2 weeks. We haven't been watering our plant because we don't have water, so our water supply stopped. I don't know what happened. But and the field looks dirty. I never seen any farmer during harvest having a good field. So don't judge us when our field is bad. No farmer has a good field during harvesting time because you're focused on harvesting and trying to get that market, and then you neglect the other part of the field, the one that is most important, the one that is giving you money. But so far, our fruit looks good, and I'm impressed with the production that we are having this time. Our first ever production was a disaster, but this one, we call it a success. Dango! So now I see why during harvest time, a lot of farms, especially commercial farms, they will hire more people during this time of harvesting. They will get more casual workers. They call them we call it seasonal employment. So they will hire people just to come and harvest, because wow, this thing is tiring, guys. I'm already tired. It's still very early in the morning, but I woke up very tired, and because we still need to go out there and get some money, we have no choice but to put on the work. But it's not really easy. So, 30 rand. 30. Yeah? Yeah, packet. Yeah, I'm feeling that. Ini? Ah, ya dia ya fela mkhotha. Ai. So guys, we just finished harvesting, so now it's time for us to go out look for the market. Seems like the today's harvest, it's almost the same as the other day's harvest. So yeah, it's time to go to the street and sell these tomatoes, make some coin Saturday today. Yeah, you know what's happening in South African Saturdays. But anyway, I don't drink alcohol, so I'll have my water. Yeah, we are going out now to sell the tomatoes. Seems like my car has some hygiene problem today, so I need to be mechanic later and try to fix it. It's giving me some hygiene issues, so we're going back to the complex and sell to our mothers who sell. Mankuzile bathi hayi ungabhayi imoto esekudala. They warned me about buying old cars. Now we are having some idling issues now. Today I'm the driver, I'm the cameraman, I'm everything today.
And I'm a passenger and I'm useless as fuck.
I'm gonna pick up someone here. Register bars. Register bars. Oh, mutaro chame jaga neighbor ke jaga neighbor.
Dia pula tadi jodoh toko so.
Dia pula. Yeah, we are pick up in this brother of ours now. We are going to complex. I'm not taking your video, chief. You are not cute enough to be on my video. Why not? I don't know about the very affair.
The Jamuja example, they had Google now to a family gathering.
Chapel. No, hello, my size. Yeah, 30 rand. 30. Asola. Yeah, we're off to complex now. Just picked up a crazy brother of ours. He's at the back. Yeah, he wants me to load cement on my car. Imagine my beautiful car loading cement. These guys, they don't take me serious. Hey, farmer, Linta. Yeah, 30. Yeah? Vona vile di 30 pala loko tswale. So. Mara bona da man, 33 rand. 33. Eh? o emetse mosadi o rata patale a ke re ke tole ina magogo le re o emetse a yo kolota o batho ba tse borose
How you using manual? How di boros wena? Oh, ga tla bala ka mo bo kgetla bona.
Oh.
Oh, okay, I'm too old yet.
Yeah, so we are still on the road. We sold some at the complex and we are left with one crate to sell. So we are now approaching my friend, trying to sell to them, but no luck. Second store now, no luck. So we are now sold out. So we just sold all our tomatoes. So we are now going home. So we have sold everything out.